Hello. Welcome back. I know it's been a while, but today is kind of an exciting day as I will be unboxing something and I really wanted you here with me, so I figured this calls for an impromptu YouTube video. I haven't made one in quite some time, unfortunately. But yeah, let's get right into it. I got this in the mail, but this is a pretty big package and I wanted to unbox it with you. So I'm gonna do my best here. See here. Oh man, it's quite the big guy. That's what that looks like. It's pretty big. I think this side is the top. I'm really hoping that this side is the top, so. There we go. Interesting way to go about taping something. Just stabbed myself, yay. There we go. Alright, kinda got it open. You guys ready? You guys ready? Oh my gosh, I'm literally tearing up. Like, look. Here, I'll get closer. All right, look. Yeah, boy. I am so stoked. I finally have a medium format camera. Your girl is in the 120 game, #120 gang. Yeah. Anyway. There'll be a more in-depth video coming soon. I just wanted to open this with you guys, and oh my gosh, it's in spectacular condition. I'm so excited. Gotta figure out how to use it and all that jazz, but I'm so excited. Like, it's already my best friend. Like, we will go everywhere together. It's mine. What should I call her? I need to name her. So if you have a great name for the Mamiya 6. Oh, I didn't even tell you the name. I got so excited. All right, so this is the Mamiya 645 1000S. I got it off of eBay for roughly a little over $500. I have not been shooting as much as I would like to on all of my platforms and stuff like that. I haven't made a YouTube video in about a year. I just have really been dropping the ball. And honestly, I've been going through some life stuff and I've been really trying to kind of keep my eye on the ball and focus and do what I need to do. And that is basically my car broke down, and so I'm still paying that off and like bills and just kind of adulting. And I realized while I've been doing that, I kind of lost myself. Like, I don't do anything creative. I go to work, I pay bills, I don't really have an outlet. I've been probably the most unhappy I've been in a while. I miss posting on TikTok. I miss making YouTube. I haven't done any of it. The only thing I really get to do is watch my friends do that kind of stuff, which, don't get me wrong, I am stoked when they post, but I miss it, you know, and I've come to the realization I never should have stopped. you know? Despite how bad life gets, or what gets in the way, or what comes up, I never should have stopped creating, because when I do that, I lose myself and I become sad, angry, and depressed. So, I wasn't planning on making this video today because this camera wasn't even supposed to be here until the 12th, and it got here in a couple of days, and I don't even know how to use it. I am so excited to figure out how to use a 120 camera. I'm stoked, and I'm excited to start sharing this with you. I should have never stopped, and that was just a big mistake, because every time I stop to focus on something, it's the saddest I've ever been. So here's to not stopping. I'm back. I'm gonna make more videos, or I'm gonna try, even if they're not structured, if they're spontaneous. I'm here, I'm back, I'm ready. Let's do this. Medium format, here I come. Mamiya, baby. First medium format camera. All right, so if you want to see my journey, if you want to see what I do with this guy right here, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button if you like this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one, so peace.